Friends, today we will learn how to make spillway in Civil3d, and then we will shift this spillway into infraworks, and we will show water on that spillway. So let's start. First, this is a polyline. We created this polyline. Now we will make a now we will make alignment from this polyline. We will click on alignment, then we will select create alignment from object. So we select that alignment. Now this is asking for direction, uh, slope direction, and this is okay. If we want to change, then we will click on reverse, but no, for us this is okay. Now we will enter. So we will give here name. This is the same name, date 18, so I add 18. So copy will this, then everything is okay. Now we'll click on okay. Now this alignment, we made alignment. Now after this alignment, we will make a profile. So we will click on create surface profile. So then we will click on this select button and we will select our alignment. So this alignment, now we add profile. So we need this the ground profile. So natural ground level. So we will select this and we will add this profile. Now we will click on draw in profile view. Uh, this setting we can discuss later if we need, but we are making spillway wood, so we will not discuss this setting. So we just click on create profile view. So now we want to make profile here. So this is our location. We will click here. So this you can see this is the profile view and this is the ground natural ground level profile. So now we will create a design profile. So uh, from here we want to make 300 below on at end side. So we'll click on point 3 and we'll offset. On this side we need minimum 1.4, so we'll click on 1.4. I think we can increase this. We can create more point to this 0.5. Now we'll make a polyline from this point to this point. This is our design profile. So now we will these lines, we will delete these lines. So this is our design profile. So we just make a line. Now we will create design profile. So we'll go to in profile, then profile creation tool. We will select that graph and we will give here name, same name we will copy here, and then we will click on OK. Then this is the button, convert AutoCAD line and subline. I think it will not convert because this is the polyline. So we will explode this. Now this is line. Now we will select this, and now it's selected. So our design profile is ready now. This is cyan color is our design profile. So this is our spillway alignment. So profile. So now we will create spillway corridor. So we will go on corridor menu, then we will select corridor. So first we will select our alignment. So through this button we can select our alignment. So also we will provide here same name for corridor, and this is the profile. So we will go again and we will provide here profile name. So profile properties, this is spillway profile properties. So we will select corridor, then we will select alignment, this one. Now profile, this is spillway profile, we will select this, and then we will select assembly spillway. Target surface, we will select this target surface and then OK. Frequency we will change on 1 meter. Done. Rebuild corridor. Now you can see our corridor is ready. This is our spillway. So we can see in object preview. This is our spillway. So now we will create surface for this. So we will right click, select and right click, then click on corridor surface. Add surface, give same name. Add top link, datum, day cut, daylight cut, then feature line. We will add P2. So here we will click boundary and corridor extent as boundary. So rebuild corridor. Now if you will come on this tool space, you can see there is a new surface, this one. This is our spillway surface. So we will select this and then we will object preview. So this is our surface is ready. So we will export this surface as land XML. Click OK and provide same name. We exported this surface. Okay, this is done. Now for spillway structure, this is we created uh, spillway terrain. We made this terrain as land example. We will use in infraworks as a terrain to cut our existing ground. So, but we also want to show concrete structure as a spillway. So we will make this structure little bit smaller because if we will make same size, it will merge with that cut line on ground and it will not show in infraworks. So we will make little bit smaller and also little bit deeper to show the water. So make it deeper. Only we shift point 1 and 2 below. 1 2 is okay. So this is our concrete surface below bed surface. Now we go to in assembly. This is the spillway assembly. We will check. I think this is the spillway assembly. Spillway, okay. So we will change it. We'll change here width 2.5 to 2.4, I think. Is it okay? So also we will decide change width of that assembly, subassembly 2.4. So now we will create again corridor for concrete structure. Same name we place, and S we will add S for structure, and we will copy this alignment. We will select alignment, profile, then assembly, and then ground. Again we will change frequency. Again we will create corridor surface. We'll add rename this, paste. We'll add links, top, datum, and day cut. Then we feature line, add 2, and then we will go to boundary, add extent. We will rebuild corridor. Now surface is generated. This is the surface. We'll select and view this surface. So this is our surface. We will export and land XML. We will paste here name, and it's done. So today you learn how we will create spillway in Civil 3D. In next lecture we will see how we will import this land XML file and structure in Revit, and how we will show in infraworks, and how we will show water in infraworks. Guys, thank you very much for your time. Okay, bye. See you in next lecture.